but you can still, while you're doing it, there's ways that you can do it so it's going to benefit the environment for everybody. So
A healthy environment. Can anybody just tell me a couple words on what you think might make a healthy environment? It's not cigarettes. Diversity. Ecosystem. When the sun is shining, the plants are growing, it's producing oxygen for us to breathe. Herbivores are chewing on the plant material. Carnivores are eating the herbivores. The decomposers are kind of decomposing everything up. And that's when the ecosystem is working very well.
As well. So something interesting about the pawpaw, it is the only host plant for the zebra swallowtail, which is this amazing black and white butterfly you see on your hand.
Probably will never have the biodiversity in this area that we had 1,000 years ago, but that's okay, because we gotta have to roll with the punches and do what we can to create our own diversity on smaller niches.
Also, of course, I love plants, and when I really fell in love with plants is when I started to learn about all of their connections to truly everything in the world, including their connection to us, and I just really wanted to share that with you guys today.